Buying a home involves a series of steps from locating your dream home, closing on it, and calling it a home. So once you have an idea about your housing needs and your budget, the first thing you have to do is hire a realtor. I suggest you interview multiple realtors before you decide to hire one. When you hire a realtor, a buyer brokerage agreement is signed. This agreement states that you agree to work exclusively with this realtor during the time stipulated in the contract. This agreement also ensures that the agent gets compensated for the services availed by you during the contract period in the event you purchase a property. The next thing you need to do is get pre-approved. Pre-approval letter is issued by a lender after verifying your income, assets, and liabilities. It's a very important document because it states the maximum loan amount and the interest rates you qualify for. This is a document we require when we submit an offer to purchase a property. I always suggest my buyers to get it ahead of time so that we have it ready by the time we want to make an offer on any property. The next stage is the fun part, house hunting stage. So when you discuss all your needs with your realtor, he or she will identify all the properties that match your criteria. She will alert you whenever a new property hits the market that fits your criteria. Once you like any of the properties, she will arrange a tour of the property. You can see as many properties as you wish as long as it fits your budget. The next stage, making an offer stage. So once you like a property and you want to make an offer on the property, this is the stage where your realtor will help you gather all the information pertaining to this property. That information can be as simple as market data, current market conditions, past recent sold data, or any questions you want to get an answer for from the seller. Next stage, offer acceptance stage. Now you are under contract. Your offer got accepted by the seller. And your purchase offer usually contains some contingencies or conditions. That means these contingencies or conditions have to be met before you go ahead with this transaction. The usual contingencies in a purchase offer are home inspection contingency, appraisal contingency, and mortgage contingency. So this is the stage where you hire a home inspector or you hire an attorney, and they do their work, the background work to check about this property. This is also the stage where you initiate the mortgage application process. You will be submitting all the documents required by the lender. So the bank will be working in the background. Once you hire a home inspector, your agent and the inspector can help you walk through the whole inspection report, the findings of inspection. And based on that, we can renegotiate the price or ask for request for repairs or credit based on the inspection findings. Once the bank orders an appraisal, we can again renegotiate the price based on the appraisal findings. Appraisal is a process of finding out the market value of the property, independent of what seller thinks the property is worth or what the buyer wants to offer. So once the appraisal comes in, as long as the appraised value is at the purchase price or higher than that, there are no problems. But if the appraised value comes in lower than the purchase price, there's always room for negotiating the purchase price lower than. We have an opportunity to renegotiate the prices now. Then while the attorney is at work, she will be working on checking the title of your property, checking for any claims, any easements, any right-of-ways, any encumbrances, anything, any legal issues which can prevent the transfer of title. Once we are done with the appraisal, inspection, and the attorney has given a clear title, your bank will require you to purchase title insurance and homeowners insurance, after which the bank will issue a clear to close. That means you're getting a mortgage commitment letter from the bank. During this period, you also have to do your own due diligence as a buyer. You may have to walk into the town office, town building department to make sure that this subject property has no issues like zoning violations or notice of any violations, any building code violations, no unpermitted constructions, no surprises essentially. So after we are done with the inspection, appraisal and mortgage commitment, we come to the final stage, that is the final walkthrough and closing stage. Final walkthrough is when you have the opportunity to inspect the property one last time before you close. This is the time when you ensure that all your repair requests has been taken care of and that there are no surprises just before you close. Last stage of this transaction is closing. This is the grand finale of the whole process. This is where you bring in the down payment. You sign a bunch of papers agreeing to all the mortgage terms and conditions, and the bank gives you the loan money. The exchange of money happens from your side to the seller, and you get the keys. You get the new deed. You are the new owner. You record the deed in the county office. That brings us to the grand finale of the whole process. Your agent would have helped you from the beginning to the end, from the day you start house hunting to the closing day. She'll be with you.